In this video, we will demonstrate how to edit sections and activities and use bulk actions. To edit a section or activity, click the three vertical ellipses located at the right of the activity or section title. This opens up a drop-down with editorial options. The notable ones for an activity are Edit Settings, which takes you the settings page for that activity; Move, which opens a pop-up allowing you to select a section or activity to position the selected activity under; Move Right, to indent the activity on the page; Hide, which keeps the activity hidden from students; Duplicate, which makes a copy of the activity including the configuration, but adds copy to the end of the original title; Assign Roles, which lets you assign various roles to participants within the activities and blocks in the course; and Group Mode, allowing you to switch group modes. The final option available is Delete. While some options overlap for sections, the notable options are View, to open the section page for the selected one; Edit Settings; Highlight, which adds a border to the left of the section. This can only be added to one section at a time to draw attention to it; Permalink, which provides a link to a specific course section; and Move, which remains relatively the same except only sections are listed in the pop-up. Another capability of the course page is the ability to do bulk actions. Click on Bulk Actions at the right of the course title. This allows you to select either activities or sections to bulk edit. You can select them by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the activity or section. If you intend to select all activities or sections with the option at the bottom, you need to click the checkbox for at least one section or activity first. You can use the editorial options at the bottom of the display. These are Availability, which shows a pop-up to either hide or show the section or activity on the page; Duplicate, Move, and Delete. When you are finished, click the X at the right to close the bulk option interface. With this tutorial, you can now edit sections and activities and use bulk actions.